What's up, YouTube? Today I'm doing a video on how to adjust your sensitivity on the CompuStar 1W SSR Pro. I was having a little trouble. Cars kept passing by and the alarm kept ringing off and I couldn't figure it out. So I was looking under my dashboard and I finally figured out where's the thing. It's a little black egg-shaped thing right under the thing, right under the dashboard. Well, I have an Infiniti G35X and I'm going to show you exactly where it's at. So I have this here. You pull this away. Is this a little uncomfortable here? Is this thing right here, a little egg-shaped thing. Right here's the adjuster. This is the thing right here. You put it less and it will be less making noise, or if you put it real sensitive, you put it on 10, everything makes it go off. But this is the thing you're looking for. This is the thing. So if you're having that issue with this alarm, look for this little box under your dashboard and adjust it. Right now I have it about 2. I have it about 2 or 1. Adjust it real good and you won't have that issue no more. This is it right here. So YouTube, I hope you find this video real useful for you. I couldn't really find none on this issue, but like and subscribe and I will have more videos on different things. I hope it helped. Like and subscribe. Thanks.